amazing, beautiful people, and welcome back to another BEFIRST reaction video. They have literally not long ago just released their song for the movie Windbreaker called Stay Strong, and everyone's been saying, Luke, please don't miss this one. And of course, you know when BEFIRST release something, we are always here to support them. Please like the video, please subscribe for more, and let's jump into my first time ever reaction to BEFIRST lyric video for Stay Strong, the official song for the movie Windbreaker. I haven't seen Windbreaker. This isn't the anime, right? Is there a movie coming out based on the anime? Gosh, this is a very, like, heavy opening for me first. Oh, it's live action! I see. Doesn't really sound like a BEFIRST song, man. It's got like a real heavy rock vibe to it, especially in the opening with like that chant and that guitar work. BEFIRST really experimented on this sound. Also, I had no idea there was going to be a live action Windbreaker. I've heard very good things about Windbreaker. This is a very like dark side to BEFIRST. No, we're gonna rewind. We're gonna rewind. Oh, jeez. That drop, everything goes quiet. Break. It's so good. Timed perfectly with the freaking fight scene in the background as well. That was fucking amazing. Break. So good. This looks really like, it looks darker than I thought it would be. God! God! Woo! Oh man, that verse just kept building and building. This is totally a different side to BEFIRST. This is like, we've seen them do heavy songs before. We've seen them do like rock-based songs before. But this is like a darker sort of side. The song itself has like a sort of like underground element to it. It's much more like rock instrumentally focused. The verses and the chorus especially are a lot heavier and darker. And I feel like this really is the dark side to BEFIRST. It's showing their adaptability and they are crushing it. Very good song. So it's like, are they gangs here? Is that what we're seeing? Definitely, man. I'm getting lost in the video as well. Like, I'm getting lost in this. I've heard very good things about Windbreaker. This looks well cool. It kind of reminds me of like the 80s movie Warriors. I don't know if anyone's seen it. I think it was 80s. Might have been late 70s. Really good movie actually. It's got like that gang city element to it, but like sort of like it looks like a summer town, you know, something a bit Fast and Furious-y. But it seems very dark. It seems like very violent. It just like a gang war. It's just a gang war going on between the green coats and the yellow coats. Oh! Whoa! Damn! Bro, it's pure aura. This song is so good, man. Listen to it build. It matches the video so well. It just continues to build. You got the chanting in the background as well. It just creates this feeling of fucking epicness, man. Man, that guy has got pure aura. Jesus! The megaphone effect on the fucking vocals as well. Are you kidding me, BEFIRST? Jesus! Our guys just keep getting better. Man, that dude seems crazy. He's always like smiling. I had no idea. Man, they're making a bunch of live actions at the moment. Is there more? There's like 10 seconds left. Nah, just gonna say BEFIRST. You know what they say? If you ain't first, you second. Anyway. Oh, man. Like I said, I haven't seen anything from Windbreaker. I don't really know much about the anime. When it was like airing, I had loads of people messaging me and saying it was really good, really fun, a really like entertaining anime. And from what I saw, and the music around it especially, like, because the music's always what sort of like lures me to these anime. But from what I saw from Windbreaker, it looked very fun. It like looked crazy and just full of fights and pretty much what we saw here. And I've never watched a live action anime version ever. I do actually want to. I've heard not the best things about a lot of them, but I still would very much like to watch one. And this actually looked pretty fucking fun. Like, it actually did. Don't get me wrong, it looks crazy violent and like incredibly dark at times, but it also, like, nothing too bad happened in the video. It just looked like a bunch of dudes kicking each other's asses, to be honest. And I would watch this. Like, when is it coming out? It looks pretty cool. It does look pretty cool. So Windbreaker got a live action. I know the Apothecary Diaries has got a live action coming as well. I'm excited for that. This has to be one of BEFIRST's like most dark and heavy songs. And I feel like the chanting in the background as well is just really adds to like the whole air of the video, because the entire video and like almost the point of the song, you know, Stay Strong, is all like unity. You've got this gang, you've got these guys together, they're all like fighting together, and that simple chant adds that whole element, you know? Like, they are a gang, they are fighting together, they are brothers, they are all in this fight together, and having that chant in the background, that whoa, oh, 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 like literally having that, you feel that. That simple little addition in the background, you feel it. You fucking feel it. You do. And I feel like that was a very, very smart decision on their part. Overall, just so heavy. Especially the opening. Like, the guitar work from BEFIRST on the opening was fucking phenomenal. And then we go straight into the dark, grungy side of this song. The rap verse on verse 2 was crazy. And they just kept getting more and more rapid. I'm a huge fan of rap verses where they just go faster and faster and faster and faster. And that's what that one felt like. I thought the video looked like it was beautifully well shot too. And I loved how it all blended. I thought the chorus was fucking inspiring. I feel like BEFIRST are really flexing their diversity with their sound on this track as well. I can't fault it. It's so good. It is so good. There's not a single part of it I didn't like. I can't think of one part. Yeah, they nailed this. They nailed it so much that I want to go and watch this movie now. I had no interest in watching this. I now want to watch it. I want to watch it right now. This looks well fun. Jeez, BEFIRST. There isn't a genre these guys can't do. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Have yourselves an amazing freaking day. And as always, my friends, you right there will see me in the next video.